Hi, my name is Robert Herdan, and today we're going to show you how to install a weatherproof outdoor socket. All we're going to need is a screwdriver, flathead, a Phillips head, and a cordless drill if you have one. Okay, so now we're going to get started on installing our outdoor socket. It's a GFI. I have this one here. Now we have already tested our wires and made sure the power is off. You always want to make sure the power is off before you do any kind of electrical installation. So now that our power is off, I'm going to start by connecting our black wire first. And our black wire in this case is what they call a neutral. And we'll get that secured. Now we're going to attach our white wire to the other side of our outdoor socket. Okay, that looks good. Okay, you want to maybe test to make sure that they're on there really good. Now I'm going to use our ground wire for our final attachment. This particular case, this ground wire is not green, it's just a copper wire. If it's not green, you just have a plain copper wire, you will know that that is your ground wire. And you always, especially the outside, you want to make sure you have a ground and it's properly attached. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and push our wires back into our box. And you want to make sure you shove that in there and get it nice and tight before you actually put the screws in, then you can release. Okay, so we'll take our screw here and put that in our box. There we go. Our outdoor socket cover here is one that looks like this, and you'll get a pad like this, and this is what is going to weatherproof this. So we'll go ahead and put that on, and then we'll take our outdoor cover, and then what you want to do is open that up, and we'll go ahead and screw this part in. And then we want to get our top screw started before we tighten our bottom one. It's because it'll make this a little bit easier when we're done. Okay, now we got our bottom screw tight all the way. We got our top screw tight, and we're good to go. I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and we have just installed our weatherproof outdoor socket.